गर्व की बात है कि आज यहाँ हम सभी अपने माननीयों की उपस्थिति में बिहार इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ लॉ में फर्स्ट ईयर इंटर कॉलेज बुक बोर्ड कॉम्पिटिशन के फाइनल आयोजन में सहभागी हैं। इस शुभ अवसर पर आप सभी ने संस्था के लिए अपना कीमती समय दिया, इसके लिए बिहार इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ लॉ तथा व्यक्तिगत रूप से मैं हृदय से आभारी हूँ। इन्हीं शुभकामनाओं के साथ गुड लक, धन्यवाद।
Your Honor, Aman Sharma is a well-known journalist and a social media influencer, having reputation for investigative reporting on political corruption and governance issues. His work is backed by documents and whistleblower testimonies indicating credibility. During an economic crisis in the Kimola in January 2024, Sharma released investigative content exposing corruption among top officials. He revealed that government funds meant for public welfare schemes were misappropriated through fraudulent contracts. His reports resonated with the citizens who were already frustrated due to unemployment, inflation and liquidity crunch. The protests were initially peaceful, showing that public sentiments were already against the government handling the crisis. The protests escalated into violent clashes between protesters and law enforcement. Public property was vandalized, vehicles were set on fire and police officers were injured. His posts were investigative and journalistic in nature. In response to the situation, State of Kimola filed a criminal charges against the petitioner under PNS 2022, invoking Section 152, Act indicating sovereignty, integrity and unity of India, Section 196 promoting enmity between different groups on the basis of religion, race, caste, place of birth, language, etc. Section 353 statements conducive to public mischief. The government claimed that his posts were inflammatory and based on unverified information. They further contended that petitioner's posts incited violence, disturbed public order and promoted distrust among various communities within the administration. The petitioner was arrested from his residence in Delhi in the early hours of February 2, 2024 and transported to Kimola. And this arrest triggered a massive outcry from civil society, journalists and human rights organizations who condemned it as an attack on press freedom and a blatant misuse of criminal law to suppress dissent. Challenging his arrest, the petitioner filed a writ petition under Article 32 of the Constitution of Indiana before this honorable court, highlighting that if the fundamental rights and the legal rights, the ambit of Article 226 is wider than Article 32, Your Honor, because we can go for the legal remedies and constitutional remedies under Article 226, whereas only when the fundamental rights are at stake in the Article 32.
Why did you choose to fight?
Because yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because Your Honor, there was a gross violation of fundamental rights, and as soon as the fundamental rights of a journalist is curtailed, it becomes a threat to the whole journalism. Also, according to the mentioned facts, there was a massive outcry growth from journalists, civil societies, and human rights organizations. For that scope, we have to approach under Article 32 so that the order, the judgment of this honorable court will be applicable to Pan. Much obliged.
I am still arguing counsel like you. Difference between young and old man, what is this? Young in age? No. Young in knowledge. अगर never retire, it rocks it. सीधे टपक जाएगा, बच जाएगा. कम तो होगा नहीं. Learn, grow, you did well. Two honorable judges are here. They are saying retired judges. Why retired judges? They demoted the post. Just never retired.